Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce to you is how to create or receive a customer deposit or advance payment into MYOB ABSS system. So we got two methods. One method is using the credit note as an advance payment, so you can see these transactions, so-called this amount inside your aging report and also statement of account. So you'll know how many advance payment they have with you, which means your client have with you. Alternative, you can using MYOB. We do have the function by using through the sales order, you can enter the customer deposit also. Okay, so let's start from the credit note method. You go to sales, go to enter sales, select the customer, advance payment customer, and I will change my layout to service layout because it's just a purely want to record as an advance payment transaction. Advance payment for project, let's say it's for project A. Okay, and the account you have to change to the check account, which means the bank account. Why? Because that is the correct double entry. Okay, and negative 1000. No need tax, put NT will do. So at this transaction number, you can change to maybe advance payment AP008. This transaction number you always can change by your own, your prefix own internal transactions for the advance payment or whatever it is. It's based on individual customer, individual company have their own policy. And press record. So let me show you the double entry. See, it is set here already. Okay, credit your debtors and debit the check account. So once you want to so-called issue a real invoice to this customer, let's say advance payment, and I want to ship 1000 of the maybe 3B. Okay, 3000. I just press record, and I want to offset use my advance payment, which means their credit note with me. How to offset? Go to sales, sales registered, return and credit, find back the particular advance payment transaction number. Okay, advance payment, and apply to sales, and click it which invoice you want to apply, and record, and we will receive our balance amount. Go to receive payment, deposit to which bank account, who pay you the money is my advance payment customer. Maybe they pay by check, it's a DBS check. Okay, just key the DBS and the check number. Let's say it's receive all, I just need to click receive all, your offset. That's all. This is the first method. Second method, sales. Enter sales, change it to order. Same thing, I will choose advance payment customer. And this time around, I want to ship 2000 of the same thing, 3DB, 6000. And I just press record first. And I go to receive payment. Choose which bank I want to deposit. Same thing, choose the customer, advance payment customer. And maybe this time now they pay me through gyro. Just put gyro 001, 09. And I receive 2000. Okay, click here. You can apply it to the order and just press record. So after they say, yeah, okay, we can issue me a proper invoice, you just need to go to order and then search the customer name and the order and change to invoice. You can see original amount 6000 and applied date 2000. The balance is 4420. We can print out as a invoice and take a look at the format. Let's use the MYOB standard format, which is maybe this. Okay, let's zoom in and take a look how you will be going to show. Okay, you will see original amount, add the GST and less the deposit and balance how much. So click OK, and after that same thing, go to receive payment and receive the balance. That's all for today. Hope you will learn how to enter customer deposit or so-called advance payment. after this video. Thank you.